Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see Microsoft Azure Data Certifications Roadmap. Whether you are just starting your career in data or looking to level up your skills, this video will guide you through the essential certifications you need. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of it all, the DP900, Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals. The DP900 certification is perfect for beginners. It covers the basics of core data concepts and how they are implemented using Microsoft Azure data services. This certification is your stepping stone into the world of data on Azure. Next, we have the DP203, Microsoft Azure Data Engineer Associate. As a data engineer, you will be responsible for designing and implementing data solutions. This certification focuses on integrating, transforming, and consolidating data from various sources into structures that are suitable for building analytical solutions. Moving on, let's discuss the DP100, Microsoft Azure Data Scientist Associate. If you are interested in machine learning and predictive analytics, this certification is for you. It covers how to use Azure machine learning to train, evaluate, and deploy models that solve business problems. Now let's talk about the PL300, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst Associate, previously known as DA100. As a data analyst, you will be responsible for enabling businesses to maximize the value of their data assets using Power BI. This certification focuses on designing and building scalable data models, cleaning and transforming data, and enabling advanced analytic capabilities. Moving on, let's discuss about DP300, Microsoft Azure Database Administrator Associate. As a database administrator, you will manage and maintain the operational aspects of cloud native and hybrid data platform solutions built with SQL Server and Azure SQL services. This certification covers planning, implementing, and managing database solutions to ensure their availability, security, and performance. Finally, we have the latest addition, the DP600, Microsoft Azure Fabric Engineer. This certification is for those who wants to specialize in Azure Data Fabric solutions. It covers the integration of various data services to create a unified platform, ensuring data consistency, reliability, and performance across the organization. So here is a quick roadmap for you. Start with DP900 to build your fundamentals. Then choose your path based on your career goals, whether it's data engineering, data science, data analysis, database administration, or fabric engineering. Microsoft Azure has a certification to help you achieve your dreams. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, keep support for more tech tutorials and certification guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.